Open sesame seeds!
Hummingbird Man, return! Tuxo!
Annual slog check! Air!
Okay, that wasn't so bad. Correction, that wasn't so bad. It was...
Very bad.
I have an idea, but you're not going to like it.
Huh?
Live on the Breaking news, and I am here live on scene. Danger is afoot as we have reports of a plane about to crash into the ocean.
Sure thing, Tara. We'll call you if anybody loses a dog.
Here we go.
I
We
am a
got another hit
journalist
video
just
coming.
like you.
This is Mike's mom. Funny running into you here at the plane crash.
Nick, what are you doing here?
School field trip?
Almighty finger flick!
Watch your step. This is why I only fly first class.
Noted. Gravity!
Oh, it is my turn to being hero. Zero gravity!
What about Mike and the crybaby?
They'll be fine.
Mike, shouldn't we be, escaping with the others?
Don't worry, I've got a plan.
I know. You're gonna summon more heroes like last time, right?
Well, ever since I did that, well, it hasn't really been working. But it's okay. It's all part of the plan. Well, the plan is pretty dangerous. Sugar, sugar, bang, bang, do your thing!